Businesswoman shot and succumbed to her injuries in Westmoreland. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A businesswoman was shot and killed and her two alleged attackers were chopped by an angry mob in Little London, Westmoreland on Monday morning. The deceased has been identified as 39-year-old Latty Helps, more popularly known as Latty, of Little London in the parish. One of the alleged gunmen who took Help's life succumbed to injuries he sustained after being chopped multiple times by an angry mob. His identity has not yet been ascertained. Reports are that shortly after 8 a.m. on Monday morning, Helps arrived at her bar and restaurant where she was pounced upon by two gunmen who were on motorcycles. It is reported that the businesswoman tried to run off. However, one of the men chased her and shot her several times in the upper part of her body, resulting in her dying at the scene. As the criminals tried to flee the scene on a motorcycle, they were reportedly hit from the unit by a bus driver, which was being driven by a man who believed to have witnessed the crime. The alleged gunmen subsequently ran off into bushes, but were chased by an angry mob who chopped one of the men several times, with him being later pronounced dead at hospital. The other alleged gunman received chop wounds from the mob but was rescued by law enforcement officers. The injured man remained in critical but stable condition and is under police guard in hospital. The Westmoreland police have since commenced an investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll provide you with more information to come in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.